Hello everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. We are doing August 2025 Patreon for your D&D Warhammer proxies and your figure for your 3D printing needs. All the links for this will be down below. And also, yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Check out my Patreon that's up right now and our Discord down below for voting for future figures as well. I'm still figuring out which figures to print and stuff. So I would like to have your guys' input on the Discord or on my Patreon. And it is free for certain things. And it's $5 for the models and $20 for selling the models as you like. So we got this in total. It used to be probably four, now it's nine. So that's a good thing for it. But we'll be looking at of what we are going to be looking at. So we have, we already saw a couple of these shorts already coming up as well. We have the Succubus from Daisegia for it. And we do have a 32 millimeter version of it as well that I'll be painting very soon after I'm done with the Emperors of Children for it. Uh, I test printed this, even though the guy made it for me. This head doesn't fit in this. This hair doesn't fit in the head, so I put these two together. So print that sucker instead. Uh, because I had a hard time and I had to reprint the whole thing. And this one as well, Miss Caretaker. And yes, I paid Fiverr to make people from Fiverr to freelancers to make me the models because I'm not a good model maker. And we have the bunny suit version of the Dark Elf as well. We'll be getting all the supportive parts for it and pieces. Right now it's whole. And there's a 32 millimeter figure of this as well for it. So yeah, we're slowly getting a lot of stuff together. Ella and Joe's gonna have to be next month. That's why there's three this month for the bonus for me apologizing. I had someone else making it. Reason why is that one of the person that I hired to make it did not do a good job and sent me the same photos over and over. And I canceled it, got my money back, and used that money to pay someone else to make that model for me. So we have another one for next month. I think it's Evil Eye. And the more subscribers we get, more Patreons we get, the more figures you'll get. I think we need at least 250 Patreons to get four models a month. I think it's like three to four a month, just to make a little bit of profit. But I'll be eating majority of the cost for it. But this is the business I'm trying to do, and hopefully, one day we will be able to, take care of that. Man Love Figures, another good figure one as well. These are the one that's going to be coming out on top. We got Abby Chase from Gen 13, I believe that's what it's called. Loyalty Reward, I think this is from Sin City. But they do have NSFW and so forth. This is the terms of the winners for it to make the figures for it. And yeah, I'm going to go any further. You guys can go check it out yourself. STL Project is another figure one as well. This is the August list for it. We got Nail, Power, Shampoo, and Shun for it. Bulkmaster Sculpt, another figure one as well. So we got these four. Forgot her name from Mario Odyssey. I think that's supposed to be Death from Hades, or Hades itself, and I forgot these two figure. We have last another bonus one the past month, and your and their choices as well. Let's see here. Next one is PG Gasta 3D. We got Rancha Monster Musine. This is something I'll actually like to have. Ashley loves the Rank Knight as well. We also got this one. And a whole bunch of other stuff that's coming out. Ramoto. Latest update. Sorry to be delayed. Busy guy got sick. The announcement pause for a bit. I think there is, nothing for this right now. Yuki Studio. We got Yo Jinho from Solo Leveling, and I think that's probably for that month as well. I don't know what's gonna happen for this month. Subaru Natsuki from ReZero. Natsuki. Little Patty, another good one as well. I don't know why it did that. For this month, this is June for Raven. September character. Okay, Yurifiki. I forgot this anime was called. Some Paradise Garden, I believe. So that's gonna be next for that figure. Yuko Pula. Let's go. Saba is almost finished. Yeah, this little thing over here. Do not know where she's from. We also got Maki from Soul. It was a Soul Eater. Soul Eater, yeah. That's what it's gonna be for as well. See here, Nation Rodeo 3D, another figure one as well. Forgot her name. Grand Faith Lolita. She's gonna be next. Coming up for that figure one as well. The other, I think this is Trick or Treat. So this is this month, and this is past month. We have cross promos on these two. We got Agent Scully, got her name for it. I wasn't really into X File growing up. I do watched a lot of it because there was nothing on. Because back then we didn't have cable, and it was always on Fox using regular, TV, regular television with antenna and stuff. But yeah, Lions Realm Studio. This is this month. This is previous month. They did not. I think the bear was called Tank. I don't remember, but I do want the bear, and I do want the dragon, and minimize it and make it 32 scale for my D&D campaign because I am making a D&D book. Hopefully, I'll get it ready for Kickstarter. It's gonna be called My Isekai World, and a lot of people have never made it, and I know why because it's ridiculously difficult to pick out which type of standard. I might have to make the gameplay ground up, but hopefully with the Patreon stuff, it'll be great. So we got Pink Studio. I picked uh, Clementine. Let's see, Gara's 30. August. Highest one is Eve Reese. That's going to probably be for this coming month for Pink Studio. Munchkin, uh, another one. Stella Broken. That's gonna be for this month, and I think Carol Vaca is from last month. Pink Studio, another figure one as well. There's your September one, Artist Vote. Uh, but we don't want September, we want August model. So for August model, we have Eris and Yomi Moko Bunny, and we have a model swap for the third one as well. That'd be really good to have. Let's see here. This one is Karu figure. We have a surprise swap. Looks like a busty Egyptian lady or god. You got Brunis wearing skates, delivering peace, I'm guessing. That's a model song Bulkmancer. That's coming out this month. Jiggle Sticks Creation. August Reward. Oh, we got the goth chick from Pokemon. I'm probably gonna get that for myself. I actually do like her a lot. And we got fairies, busty fairies. For it. Well, anyhow, that'll be it, guys. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. And check out my Patreon and please support us. And please leave a comment like what character you guys really want as well. Anyhow, I'll touch you guys later. Bye.